What is going on, guys? We are going to be doing head studs on this 2018 Can-Am X3. It's got bigger turbo, bigger injectors, fuel pump, clutching. He hasn't done head studs yet, so we're going to take you along for the head stud install and show you a cool trick on how to do the timing on these as well. Throw you on a time lapse and we're going to get to work on this thing. Right here, we are going to try to find top dead center. I got a screwdriver down here touching the top of the piston. We're going to set it to top dead center. And you just roll your clutch over, watch your screwdriver. As it comes up, you want to get it as it comes up and it's going down. About right there. Now we're gonna pull the valve cover off and pull the cams out and get ready to put the head studs in. We're gonna throw you back on a time lapse while we do that. Now we're just going to pull out each head stud and do one by one, and we'll throw you on a time lapse for that. Back here behind the block, there's a bolt right here that you can take out, and you gotta make this bolt. You run that in there and it'll wedge the crank at top dead center so you can set the timing. It's a cool little trick that I've been taught, and it's very fucking successful. After you get the timing set, you want these two arrows pointing towards each other. You'll pull that bolt out of the block, put everything back together, and end it. Well, we got her complete. Head studs timed. See what she sounds like.